Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to change account email on Binance. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you of course have, and download the Binance application. Now after that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Binance if you guys already do not have an account. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see here, we have the Binance official app where we have the markets, we have the Square tab, we have the buy, sell, convert, and deposit tab, the Discover tab, and the portfolio. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and change your account email on Binance. So guys, the first thing that you need to do here is go to the top left corner and click on your profile picture. So on the icon of Binance, sorry. Then what you need to do now is click on your profile picture where you have a lot of information. So we have the verification, security, VIP privilege, Twitter, that is unlinked, switch account, and log out. What we of course need to go and focus on is the registration info where you have your email, which you can then go and change there by clicking on the edit button here. And here you can go and edit anything that you want to edit on your profile. So guys, that'll be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it'll be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.